Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. Today we're going to do a video on TV frames. One of my subscribers on Instagram sent me a TikTok video to build a TV frame. She just knew I would love to do this, and I did it. I actually did it. It was pretty interesting because I had never heard of building my own TV frames, and it actually turned out really nice. So of course we took a little drive to Home Depot and we went and bought some crown molding. That's what we are using to make the TV frame. And he is stapling the ends together with an air nail gun. And I painted and stained everything. And I am just so grateful for him because anytime I need something to be cut, he cuts it because I have no clue how to cut anything. One day I will learn though, trust me.
Sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
So you see the two frames. I'm so excited to put these up. So what I did with the painting, I stained it first. I stained it a dark brown. I can't think of the color right off the top of my head, but I stained it a dark brown. And right after I stained it, I actually painted it because sometimes you just have to play around with stain, and I got a whitewash stain. And what I use to paint on, you guys, is drop cloth. I have found that that is just an easy way to just throw down some drop cloths on the ground wherever you are, paint, and nothing gets under the drop cloth. So that is whitewash stain that I'm using also. And this is no particular way that I'm doing this. I'm just doing it. What I'm using is a dry cloth or a dry brush. You guys, I am just truly eyeballing this to get the look that I want. On this particular night, the wind was blowing so hard. If you just look at all the elements behind me and around me, the wind just picked up at night. This is Texas weather for you. You just never know what you're going to get in Texas.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know
So
what
this
it
is the next day. So I let it dry after I did the first coat last night. So I'm doing a second coat, just so the white wash will be a little bit thicker. It's pretty hard for you guys to see this because it's so bright outside. And I took that dry cloth and I just kind of wiped it.
My wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know.
That's how hard the wind is blowing. It blew over my whole box of gloves.
I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
We did this over the course of 2 days in the evening time for both days, just because we have to let the paint dry. And as you guys can see, I'm painting on the back patio. I sold all my outdoor furniture. We will be getting more furniture, and I am so excited to show you guys that. We have not found any yet, but we are looking, and I'm so excited to do the backyard makeover for you guys.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for.
So all I do when we're done with the drop cloth is I just let it dry. I fold it and I use it for the next project. And I wasn't trying to paint perfect. I just was winging it. I didn't want anything to look perfect because I wanted to look like it had been there for years. That's why I wasn't worried about how perfect it was.
So it's yours to try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next.
I kind of waited too long and the paint dried a lot, so I'm taking the paint remover. That's what that is there. I use that paint remover to wipe up anything that maybe dropped on the ground or dropped anywhere that it's not supposed to be. That stuff works good. So what I did was put a little bit on the end of my towel and I just kind of wiped it on the frame. That way it would take off some of the paint and give it that rustic old world look that I wanted. Hopefully you guys can kind of see how it's taking some of the paint off in spots. And I just did this until I liked the way the frames looked. So again, I did get this from a subscriber that is on my Instagram page. She sent me this because she knew I would love to do this project. And immediately we went to Home Depot, got some frames. Well, it's actually crown molding, if you guys didn't know. We bought crown molding and my husband just cut it, to size to make it look like a frame. So I am so grateful that she sent that to me. Stay tuned till the end and I will reveal how it looked in our family room. It turned out so beautiful. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing to me. If you are watching this video and you haven't hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And to all my old subscribers, you guys know I love you. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for supporting me. And until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye.